Ever wondered how to create smooth scrolling credits like the ones you see at the end of movies? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to design and animate professional-looking scrolling text inside CapCut. No more struggling with static text or awkward movement. After this, you'll know how to make clean, flowing credits for your projects.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Now let's create the classic scrolling credits effect in CapCut. Perfect for ending short films, YouTube skits, or even adding a professional touch to your school projects and creative videos. Start with a black screen on your timeline. Next, add a text layer and paste in your credits. Choose a clean font that fits the style you want. Position the text at the very bottom of the screen. That's your starting point. On the right-hand side, under Position and Size, add a keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the clip, then drag the text all the way up to the top of the screen and add another keyframe. Now when you play it back, the credits scroll upward. If the scroll feels too fast, simply extend the clip duration and drag the second keyframe further down the timeline. The longer the clip, the slower the credits will roll. That's how you make smooth, professional scrolling credits in CapCut. And that's how you create scrolling credits. Now it's your turn. Who would you feature in your own credits roll? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves video editing. See you in the next effect.